This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Hi there! Let's show fractions using area models. Take a look at this rectangle. It's made up of equal parts, or parts of the same size. When all parts are shaded, it represents one whole. Since a fraction represents part of a whole, we can shade part of the rectangle to show a fraction. This rectangle has 4 equal parts, meaning each part is 1/4 of the whole shape. If we shade one part of the rectangle, we shaded one of the fourths. So the fraction that is shaded is 1/4. Nice! Let's show more fractions using area models. We need to shade 3 parts of this rectangle. Let's shade these 3 parts along the top, like this. 1, 2, 3. What fraction is shaded? Our rectangle has 6 equal parts, so each part is 1/6 of the whole. We want to find the fraction that is shaded. It looks like 3 of the 6ths are shaded, which is the fraction 3/6. Great, let's keep going. We need to shade 3/4 of the rectangle. First, how many equal parts does our rectangle have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, which means each part is 1/4 of the whole. To shade 3/4, we need to shade 3 of the fourths, like this. Now we've shaded 3/4 of the rectangle. Nice work! Let's look at one more. Shade 5/8 of the rectangle. This time, our rectangle has 8 parts, meaning each part is 1/8 of the whole. We want to shade 5/8, or 5 of the eighths, like this. We've shaded 5/8 of the rectangle. Nice job! Now it's time for you to show fractions using area models on your own. Thanks for watching.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.